In this video, I will discuss a previous question from IIT 2018. The question is from optics. Here is the question. A wire is bent in the shape of a right angle triangle and is placed in front of a concave mirror of focal length f as shown in the figure. Which of the figures shown in the four options qualitatively represent the shape of the image of the bent wire? These figures are not to scale. This is a concave mirror of focal length f and the object is in form of a bent wire which is right angle triangle and the angle of a triangle is 45 degrees, and these are the four options given for the image. So you want to find out how the image will look like. You can pause this video and attempt this question. Here is the solution. For a concave mirror, this formula is valid. 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 1 by f, where u is the object distance from the pole of the mirror, v is the image distance from the pole of the mirror, and f is the focal length of the mirror. This full object can be thought of as made of this straight wire and a pair of elements here, second pair, third pair, and so on. So this full object can be thought of as made of a straight element at f by 2 and pair of elements, and this pair of elements will also form an imaginary straight line. So if we can find out how the image of the straight element will look, we can figure out the image of this entire object. So first let me consider the straight element at f by 2 and let this length be L, and since this is a 45 degree triangle, so this length is also L and it's also equal to f by 2 because this point is at f and this point is f by 2. So this whole distance is f by 2, which I am calling as L. So L is related to f as L equal to f by 2. So for this straight element, u is f by 2 and v we can get from this formula. 1 by u is 2 by f, so 1 by v is 1 by f minus 2 by f, that is minus 1 by f. So v is minus f, minus a sign is being put commonly at the top. Magnification is v by u and it's also image size by object size. So v by u is 2, so from this we get the image size as 2L, the object size is L. And next let me take pair of elements in the middle, one here and one here. So the image, the object distance will become, since it's the middle, this distance is L by 2 and this object size is also L by 2 and u, the object distance, it's from here to here, that is f by 2 plus L by 2, and L is f by 2. L and f are related like this. So from this we get u as 3 by 4 f. So the pair of elements in the middle, the object distance is 3 by 4 f and v we can get from here. 1 by u is 4 by 3 f. So 1 by v is 1 minus 4 by 3, that is minus 1 by 3. So v is minus 3 f. Minus n is being put commonly at the top. So the magnification is v by u, that is 4, and the object size is L by 2 because it's in the middle and it's a 45 degree triangle. So from this we get the image size as 2L again. Next let me consider a pair of elements close to the focal point. So at a distance of 0.9 f, one element here and one element here at a distance of 0.9 f. So u is 0.9 f. So this distance is 0.1 f. So the object size will be 0.1 f since it's a 45-degree triangle, and 0.1 f is same as 0.2 L because f is 2L. So the object size is 0.2 L. Object distance is 0.9 f, that is 9 by 10 f, and b we can find from this formula as 9f. Minus 9f, minus n is put commonly at the top. So here the magnification is v by u, that is 10, and the image size is 0.2 L. The object size is 0.2 L. So from this we get the image size as 2L again. So for the straight element here at f by 2 and pair of elements, for all pair of elements the image size is constant and it is 2L. So there is only one option which is matching that is option D. So the image of this part, straight part, is this one, and the image of the pair of elements at the middle will be somewhere here, and the image of this pair of elements at 0.9 f will be at a far distance, but the image size of the straight wire and pair of elements is constant and it's 2L. So the correct option is option D.